Hello guys, so today we are making vegetable salad. We have carrots, we have cucumber, we have onions, tomatoes and cabbage. Yeah, watch the process till the end. Do not forget to subscribe, and if you don't have white vinegar you can use lime plus salt and a little bit oil. It can be cooking oil or olive oil. Stay tuned. And mango, do not forget your camango, or you can use avocado to spice to make the salad sweet. And after chopping all of that, you can soak your onion with salt so that it can reduce the bitterness, hiyo kuwashwa washwa. Yeah, there is my salad. Hii ndio process yenye alikuwa nasema, una add ka lemon that is, na ka sukari kiasi, then you add olive oil or cooking oil, ndio add hapo ndani kukuwe na ka sweetness, your salad to be yum 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 yum. Yeah, there goes my salad, very sweet. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. You can serve with anything, with your chicken, with your anything, any dish, anything. Yep. Hey, now ili slap, ilikuwa tamu man. Just try it. Najua kuna types mingi za salad, but try this one. Utaniambia. Try this one. You'll come back to my video and comment. If you like the video, give me a like. Bye.